and because the Indians have the access, they have in their area because their road is good. They are they can take things through their roads, and a lot of material, a lot of relief goods they will be bringing to that place, and they can easily hand over these things to our people.
It's certainly good development for aid effort because it may open new entry points to very difficult terrain, and I'm sure our colleagues from logistics are now studying very carefully this agreement and possible implications on the operation.
तो ये तो है, खुशी की बात होती है, मोहब्बत बढ़ जाती है। वो तो खुशी है कि आपस में मोहब्बत बढ़ जाए, आपस में रिश्तेदार मिलेंगे, एक दूसरे को इमदाद देंगे।
This is significant in the context of Kashmiris. It is a humanitarian measure, and it has come about at a very, very difficult time. Kashmir has been hit very badly by the 8 October earthquake. Azad Kashmir mainly, but also the Indian occupied Kashmir. And we do hope that this is something that would provide them comfort. It would facilitate family contacts at this very difficult time. We have condemned the terrorist attacks in Delhi in unequivocal terms. There's no question about that. It was a criminal act, and so many innocent lives have been lost in this. So many people have injured. The people of Pakistan and the government of Pakistan deeply sympathize with the families who have suffered this tragedy, and we do hope that thorough investigations would be conducted into this, and those responsible, the perpetrators, would be brought to justice.